Today on World Famous Foods, honey garlic pork chops. Let's cook. Okay, we're gonna season our pork chops with salt, black pepper, and onion powder. We're gonna do this on both sides. Okay, we're gonna put some oil in our hot pan. And we're gonna fry our pork chops. Now we're gonna turn them. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take these out. We're gonna put our next batch in. Just keep on frying our chops. Okay, our pork chops are finished. Take these out. We move on to the next step. All right, now we're gonna do our sauce. Add some butter to our pan. Just melt down. Then we're gonna add some garlic. Now we're gonna add some honey. What an aroma. Now we're gonna add some better than bouillon. Let this thicken. All right, folks, now we're gonna add our pork chops back into this sauce. As it thickens, look at that. Just coat the chops with this honey sauce. Or should I say the honey garlic sauce. Okay, folks, keep basting these. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the oven and broil for a couple minutes. All right, folks, just took these out of the oven. Time to plate them. Smell is wonderful. Oh my goodness. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell so you get all the notifications. Look at this. World Famous Foods honey garlic pork chops.